Welcome to the Amazon forest, the lungs of our planet. Covering over 5.5 million square kilometers, it's the world's largest tropical rainforest. This incredible jungle is home to 10% of all known species, from jaguars to giant river dolphins and thousands of plants you've never even heard of. The Amazon produces 20% of the Earth's oxygen and absorbs massive amounts of carbon dioxide, helping fight climate change. Millions of people, including indigenous tribes, live here, protecting the forest and preserving ancient knowledge, but it's under threat. Deforestation and fires are destroying huge parts every year, risking biodiversity and our climate. The Amazon is vital for our future. Protecting it means protecting ourselves. Let's act now, because the forest's story is our story.